But me I say still, artist thing, we are going on YouTube now. Is Bounty Killer and Beanie Man. But you see the youth name Isaiah Leng. If you remember Isaiah Leng man and Sting man. And the man they showcase them youth, the man, and the man they make the world know about them youth, and a whole heap more youth. Isaiah Leng is a youth, I know man, for my youth man. I may always admire him, already me and my talk about and say, the man are the first youth come to school, And right now, the youth do some great things in the world. So me as a man now, we living at the state here and still want to watch what we are going with. This man is one of the greatest. And the greatness we are going, film name supposed to evolve in it. Isaiah Leng. Leng, you're one great youth man. January, say a long time I watch you for you in a short pants. I'm in a short pants until to come turn big man and trust me. The work the more you do, Papa, the work the more you do are some great work. Everything you put your hand upon, a goal, pure goal, cause all the Beanie and Bounty. I hear thing that I hear Sting thing that I hear thing then the man them have an a praise, so we have to give praises to the Rasta. You're one great youth man. Out of all of the youth out of the neighborhood, you're one of the greatest. I respect you, Rasta. I know you respect me too. So just love and peace. Respect Leng. Isaiah Leng. You're one great youth. Yeah.